I don't know how many miles we put on our car driving to Elk River to the campus on a Friday morning and then sitting through parent training for two hours on Fridays. And that has been invaluable. The tools they not only give your child, but the tools they give the parent.
Right.
Because it's not just, hey, let's fix this kid, and then the kid goes home. But if the parents haven't adjusted and haven't learned some things, it's going to go right back to the way it was before.
Our home is now therapeutic.
Yes.
And so
Yes.
even though we can have, because we adopted teenagers, so that's an adventure in and of itself. But when you have teenagers who've had trauma, then you have to parent differently. And so we are now therapeutic parents because we really have to think through, what am I going to do with this and how am I going to say it? So it's good.